In this video, I'll be showing you how you can decorate your 3D bunnies. To decorate the body section of your 3D bunny, start by applying the peach ink pad to your jasmine rubber stamp. Then press your stamp directly onto the wood. Continue to stamp all over the body of your bunny, just remember to reapply your ink between every impression. For a seamless pattern, we recommend stamping off the edge of the bunny too. We design and make all of our wooden craft shapes from the finest Scandinavian birchwood. We then sand them smoothly on both sides, ready for you to get stamping. Plus, as we use a real wood, there's no need for you to prime. Once you've stamped the whole of your bunny, leave it to dry for 20 minutes before stamping on the other side. Use the same technique as before, applying the peach ink pad to your rubber stamp and then stamping directly onto the wood. Next, we're going to be stamping the bunny's ears, front legs and back legs. Once your first side is dry to touch, you can flip them over and stamp on the other side. To clean your rubber stamp, stamp repeatedly onto a wet wipe or a damp cloth until there is no ink residue left. Once you've finished stamping the bunny components, you can soften the edges using the shading technique. To do this, gently swipe your ink pad around the edge of the shape. Continue this shading technique on the bunny's back legs, front legs and ears. You can use the tip of the ink pad to help you in the trickier areas, such as between the ears. You can also do the same technique on the reverse side. Once you have finished inking and stamping all the bunny components, leave them to dry for about 20 minutes. Before gluing, make sure you have the correct size components for your bunny body. When you're ready, apply a small dot of PVA glue into the slots of the bunny body, and then gently slide the front legs and back legs into the correct slot. Don't worry if you apply a bit too much glue, it will dry clear so you won't see it. Apply the same gluing technique for the bunny ears and then your bunny is finished.